Pankaj Tripathi and Pankaj Jha have recently become the talk of the town, and there are a couple of reasons. One being their successful series Mirzapur and Panchayat. But do you know the second reason why these two supremely talented stars are in the headlines? Hello, this is Navin Srivastava, and today I'll spill the beans on the recent spat between the two artists. Pankaj Jha is enjoying all the praises for his role in Panchayat 3 as MLA Chandra Kishore. Recently, the actor took an indirect dig at Pankaj Tripathi. He accused Pankaj Tripathi of romanticizing his struggles. What happened was Pankaj Jha in an interview stated that he doesn't like the word struggle. He was reportedly referring to Tripathi stealing Manoj Bajpayee's slippers from a hotel room. Jha cited the incident to highlight how glamorized the struggle. On the Kapil Sharma show, Pankaj Tripathi once revealed that while he was working at a hotel, Manoj Bajpayee stayed there as a guest. Manoj left his slippers behind, and Tripathi, being a devoted fan, took them home as a souvenir. So now Pankaj Tripathi has come forward and reacted to the statement given by the Panchayat actor. When asked about the accusation, Pankaj Tripathi said, "I never romanticized my journey or struggle. Yes, I did mention that my wife used to earn while I looked for work. I never said that I tied a towel around my waist and slept outside Andheri station. I had a good and happy life when we moved to Mumbai. I have never tried to glamorize or seek sympathy from it." The actor said, "We live our own journeys and fight our own battles. When you read or hear these stories, some may get inspired. And even if they don't, that's not an issue. One has to just live their own life the way they want." He further added, "I have also been influenced a lot by Om Saab, Irfan or Manoj Bhaiya. I have definitely taken inspiration from them. Similarly, some may be motivated by my journey or someone else's. We are all on our journeys, and if someone connects with some part of it, not necessary in terms of acting and art, but in any way." When asked if the allegations by other stars and industry members affect him, he said, "Not at all. I'm not someone to get hurt. All this noise doesn't affect me at all." Pankaj Tripathi has often talked about his journey and how his wife Mridula supported him in his early days. He has worked in many films, and for his recent release Main Achal Hoon, he earned praises from his fans to the critics. He will soon be seen in the much-awaited series Mirzapur Season 3, which is set to release on July 5th.